the internet. Prensky defines the child in today's classroom as a digital native, as they have never known life before the internet. Some children may even believe the internet is simply there on their devices and have very little understanding of how the internet actually works. Before teaching this topic, a teacher may need to elicit what the children already know. This could be done by asking the children to explain the internet to aliens. Research has attempted to define what the internet is, although I also think the internet could be described as a social hub over which to connect with friends. By taking part in the Can You Draw the Internet project, children can construct their own definition, as well as discovering how their definition may differ from that of their peers. In this video essay, I will attempt to answer 2 questions. What does a primary school pupil need to know about the internet, and how might this most effectively be taught? Well, the first question can be answered by referring to the current national curriculum, which is broken down into 4 parts regarding the internet. Search technologies. Children may already be attuned to familiar search technologies, but can explore how searching for the same information may vary within the search engines. As the internet is a relatively abstract concept, I believe it's important for children to allow children concrete opportunities to develop their understanding of it. In this activity, the children could look at key characteristics of the dogs and categorise them accordingly. This could be done by using a variety of key terms such as fluffy, so the children categorise the dog according to the demand. The children could then be given a new set of information to categorise, showing the link between, if a person likes fluffy dogs, what kind of cat might they like? This would be a concrete way of helping children to understand the technological term of bubbling, into which their information is categorised and targeted towards the engine user. Children could also explore sites such as X-ray goggles to help them understand how information cannot always be trusted. And computer networks. Norton compares the internet to a railway network. I think this could be further expanded to compare the internet to traffic, showing how the information may jam and have to be redirected, as well as the sending and receiving of information. I feel this more adequately expresses the complexity of the internet. Children could then explore the physicality of the internet through play, as well as considering some of the more physical aspects of the internet, such as farms, wires and routers. The children could contemplate what our city would look like if we could see all of the wires, which as an art specialist would be a really interesting art project too. The children could then undertake some project-based learning, such as where do all the wires go? Software, data and devices. As the common iPhone is a more powerful computer than Apollo 11, which sent men into space, it's important to allow children opportunity to explore what computers can do and how they can affect the world. This can be done by providing choices with how children present their work and over which softwares would best suit this project. The internet provides limitless opportunities for exciting computing projects which have a real-life purpose. Children could do things like comparing the first ever website with today's websites, and consider what makes a good site, and even forecasting what sites will even look like in the future. The SPIRAL curriculum would allow for ongoing development of these topics as children progress throughout the school. E-safety. Children should explore the wonder of technology in a safe way, and so I think e-safety should be embedded across the teaching of ICT and not taught as a standalone unit. This can be aided through schemes such as Click Clever, Click Safe, and underpinned by the children writing the school e-safety policy to foster a sense of ownership of the policy framework, something that I saw worked really well on Block School Experience. I've talked to you about what children need to know about the internet and how to effectively teach it. Thank you.